Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start investing with Wells Fargo, visit their official website or download their mobile app. Create an account by providing your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Choose between a personal or business investment account based on your needs. Complete the application by entering your financial information, such as employment status and annual income. Once your account is set up, fund your investment account by transferring money from your bank account. Review different investment options available through Wells Fargo, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Determine your investment goals, whether they are short-term gains or long-term growth. Consider your risk tolerance and how much risk you are willing to take with your investments. Start with a diversified portfolio to minimize risk, spreading your investments across different asset classes. Use Wells Fargo's research tools to analyze potential investments and track market trends. Place your investment orders directly through your online account or mobile app. Monitor your investments regularly to assess their performance and make adjustments as needed. Take advantage of Wells Fargo's educational resources to improve your investment knowledge. Stay informed about market conditions and economic indicators that may impact your investments. Review your investment strategy periodically to align with your financial goals. Contact Wells Fargo's investment advisors if you need personalized guidance or have questions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.